Meanwhile, the administration and lawmakers weigh in on the arrests made last night.
In a press conference this morning, Governor Eno says the administration has no involvement in the arrest of the 3 officers.
We have little or no input and even information other than the fact that the Superior Court had designated the special prosecutor or the Office of Public Auditor to do the investigation, and this is just part of the thing that they do. We have little or no control at all.
Speaker of the House Joseph Guerrero, who spearheaded the impeachment in the 17th and 18th legislature, believes the police officers were following orders.
They're sticking their necks out, risking possibility of going to jail. Now, most will not do that unless, you know, there were strong orders from a very high official. I still think that's the case.
Chairman for the Special Committee on Impeachment, Representative Tony Sablan, says he was surprised to hear about the arrest.
I didn't think that the arrest was going to even happen or happen this quickly. It's unfortunate that because of the actions of the people at the top, that they put well-intentioned officers in the front line, men and women in blue, in positions that compromises their law enforcement responsibilities.
Meanwhile, Senate President Ralph Torres questions who ordered the officers to interfere with a penal summons.
I think that it's important that justice is served, but at the same time, again, you know, we wanted to. I hope that they find out how they acted on what they did, and if the orders came from the higher authority, then that should be definitely acknowledged.
Many officers who were involved with the departure of former Attorney General Ed Buckingham pleaded the Fifth during impeachment proceedings in the 17th legislature, including DPS officer Jermaine Nakaifis.
Were you forced by your superior to shield some court documents to be provided to Mr. Ed Buckingham?
On the advice of my lawyer, I agree respectfully. I again respectfully assert my constitutional rights to remain silent under the 5th Amendment to the United States Constitution, and also under Article 1, Section 4C of the Constitution of the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands.
And that was Megan Bragg reporting. Thank you, Megan.